Alright guys, so people have been messaging me asking me about my exhaust, and recently got a request about what it sounds like when it's rolling. So right now, as you can see, I'm not really doing too much, and there's a red light coming up, so see, that's just nice and soft. I'm not even really giving it anything, but let's see what happens if we had this light real quick. It would have been nice if the right side would have opened up a little, but everybody's taking that lane. Look at that, everybody's taking the lane to the right, to the right. Let's see what I can do here. This is just rolling. Passed up a Corvette real quick. I mean, he stepped on it way back there. I don't know if it'll sound different if I roll up the windows though. Let's see if it sounds different. Oh yeah, you can actually hear it more. Probably for the camera, I mean. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though, the ZL1 conversion definitely intimidates a lot of people. Gotta give me one of those cameras that you can pretty much stick on, like on your bumper or something like that, so you can hear what it sounds like when you give it a little bit. Red light. Let's see if I break these kids' necks real quick. Love my new gauges, by the way. Serious? Your little Lexus, man. So around here, I have to be careful because we have those little police officers that got nothing else better to do but to sit on their motorcycle and just hold their little gun up in the air and see what you're driving, so, and how much you're doing. So in this area, speed limit is 40. I was doing, you can only do 10 miles and they won't mess with you, and I was doing 54, and this guy in his little Lexus is like tailgating me because I don't know what he's trying to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop at this light so he can enjoy the view. And that was a gay license plate. His license plate said Huggies. Wow, that's horrible. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I love the sound. I think it's perfect. I've listened to a lot of V6 YouTube videos and clips, and honestly, it's probably the camera they're using, because I'm sure they sound amazing. I've heard the MRT, I've heard the Flowmaster, I've heard the Corsa exhaust. I mean, I've heard all of them, and they sound good, but not deep enough, you know. And these ones that I have right here, I honestly think they came out just fine to me. They came out perfect. I get a lot of compliments, and honestly, people move out of the way. It's not like I'm driving 800 horsepower, I'm not gonna lie, but when they just hear it open up a little bit, they're like, yeah, go ahead. Especially because it has the ZL1 conversion, wheels and everything. I don't know if this area is a little open right here. Maybe I could give it a little bit more before I get to the house. Love it. We just did the Lake Havasu cruise. 115 Camaros, Arizona All Gens Camaro Car Club. It was beautiful, beautiful cars, beautiful weather. Kept it real professional when we were out there. Shut down London Bridge. I guess apparently 70 PT Cruisers or 75 PT Cruisers held the record for it. Of course, the Camaros came and shattered that and threw 115 Camaros on that bridge. So, anyways, I'm almost at the house. Just got off of work, so I figured I'd record a quick clip. Next time I'll do a drive-by, probably like while it's driving down the street, and I'll have somebody, maybe my brother or something like that, just hold the camera while it's just rolling next to me, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But until then, until next time, A-DILLA Camaro ZLS. The fact that it started as a 2LS, did the conversion, created my own ZLS. And I definitely get a lot of compliments. You know, when that question came upon, it said, what does ZLS stand for? Is it supercharged or what is that, you know? And every time I break it down, they're like, well, you have a beautiful car, and I really thank them for saying that, because it's hard work and patience, and it pays off when you piece your car together. So, I appreciate it, guys. Let me know. Comments, concerns, anything you guys want. I'll make sure I record some more clips. Until then, I'll talk to you guys soon.